Hey, what's up? This is the Video Game Hunter, and let's just say I thought it would be a good idea to go to McDonald's and get something to eat. And guess what? That was probably a very bad idea walking there. I'm on, I think, Fern Valley Road, and let's just say we had a pretty bad rainstorm, and I'm now walking like I'm like walking through a lake, and I'm a bit afraid. I'm hoping I don't walk into that little ditch right there. And there's a truck coming. Hi, FedEx. Be nice, don't hit me. Okay, I got sprayed a little bit. No, so we finally get some land. Yippee! I'm getting some land. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. I've never seen these roads so flooded before. Oh man, this is absolutely ridiculous. Oh, a car coming. Oh, okay, I better stay on the dry land now. And I'm finally at McDonald's. Yippee! Let's hope I can cross the street without getting hit by a car. And oh man, this is so ridiculous. Over there, I actually passed by 2 cars that got stuck in the water ditch. So, oh, this is fucking ridiculous. Look at that. That is all flooded water right there. I never seen anything so flooded before in my life. And my pants are literally soaked and wet. I kind of regret walking to McDonald's now. Alright, so fuck me. Oh, I gotta cross the street. Oh, fuck this. Is McDonald's even open? Oh well, I'm gonna stop this video now. So yeah, McDonald's was closed, and now I'm walking back in this water, deep down. Yeah, don't walk in there or you'll be out of luck, like them 2 cars way over there, like I mentioned earlier. Kind of regret doing this, kind of don't. I guess this be a life lesson. So what am I planning to do? I'm actually going to walk back to work. But before I go inside the work, I'm probably going to stand under the heat so I dry off a little bit. And actually, I'm actually thinking about going back to the gas station and get chicken. That's what I should have done. I didn't. And now I'm actually pretty close to that car now. Yeah. Hope it doesn't look like it was a bad accident. I mean, sure, it's an accident, but it really sucks for that person. I will say this much: the car that I'm coming up to, I'm sure they had better days. They're probably in a worse situation than this car we just passed up. So, anyone from the gaming or the console explosion, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be working on any videos tonight. So I hope you guys have a better day than I'm having. This is probably the most ridiculous. I really never seen like any major bad floods here in Louisville, and it's kind of ridiculous how. What I used to walk, man, it's kind of weird. It really is. I walk through here all the time, and my God, I've never seen it this bad before. So yeah, I learned a lesson. Don't walk. If someone tells you it's a major flooding here, yeah, don't walk. Don't walk. Oh my God, this is pretty bad. Yeah, look at that car. I'm close enough to it. Yeah, they probably had a lot worse situation. The window's actually open. They probably had a car through out that window. My guess, in a way. Yeah, look at that. That's fucking ridiculous. And that gate's open. That gate's usually closed. Huh. Well, everything's okie dokie so far, and I'm actually not in the big old puddle anymore. So, that's good news. So, I'm gonna walk to the gas station. There's actually no water up here at Fern Valley Road in Preston, so I hope you guys have a better day than I'm having. This was not a good idea to walk to McDonald's, and McDonald's wasn't even open. All right, end vlog. So yeah, I'm back at work. And I'm going to enjoy my rest of my day, eating ice cream, eating my food, probably watch Netflix on my phone or Amazon Prime, depending on what I'm thinking, depending how I feel, and I guess I'll enjoy the rest of the day. Alright, this is a Video Game Hunter. Until next time, goodbye.